What if, in a single silent moment, Earth's core just stopped spinning? No warning, no gradual slowdown, just an impossible stillness at the very heart of the planet. Within seconds, compasses swing wildly, birds fall from the sky, satellites begin to fail, and every navigation system ever invented collapses at once. Before the world can even understand what's happening, Earth's magnetic field, our only shield against cosmic radiation, fades like a dying heartbeat. Auroras ignite across the entire sky, from pole to equator, glowing like a global alarm siren. Radiation levels spike, communication networks glitch, airplanes lose guidance, migratory animals panic mid-flight, and while humanity stares upward in confusion, the real disaster begins hidden beneath our feet. Earth's core isn't just hot metal, it's a spinning engine that stabilizes the mantle. When that rotation stops, the mantle begins shifting in violent, unpredictable waves. Fault lines unlock, dormant fractures awaken. Earthquakes erupt in regions that have never felt them in human history. The crust groans as pressure surges upward, and for the first time in billions of years, the planet becomes unstable at a global scale. But here's the terrifying hook. The instant the core stops, Earth doesn't simply weaken, it begins tearing itself apart from the inside. Without the stabilizing momentum, tectonic plates accelerate, grinding and colliding with brutal force. Entire volcanic arcs ignite. Supervolcanoes, held in check by balanced pressure systems, suddenly destabilize. Massive magma plumes, normally rising slowly, over millions of years surge upward in hours. Chains of eruptions detonate around the planet like a catastrophic heartbeat. Meanwhile, above the ground, the atmosphere is losing its protection. Solar wind slams into Earth at full strength, stripping the upper layers of air molecule by molecule. UV radiation intensifies. Electronic systems fail permanently as radiation floods the surface. Satellites fry. Power grids collapse. Humanity is pushed back into a pre-technology age in less than 24 hours. But underwater, something even more destructive begins. Without the core's heat distribution, deep ocean volcanic ridges become unstable. Steam explosions erupt from the seafloor. Methane trapped in frozen hydrates bursts into the atmosphere, triggering hyper-intense greenhouse effects. The oceans begin generating mega-tsunamis, walls of water so large they redraw coastlines in minutes. Earth has entered a catastrophic new geological era, one driven not by gradual cycles, but by the sudden death of its internal engine. Days turn into weeks, and the magnetic field remains gone. The atmosphere continues thinning, not instantly, but fast enough that every living creature feels the change. Plants wilt. Radiation sickness spreads. Microorganisms that once thrived begin dying, destabilizing ecosystems from the bottom up. With every sunrise, Earth becomes more hostile. Over the following months and years, the mantle's chaotic flow reshapes continents. Mountain ranges rise and collapse in the same decade. Volcanoes form and vanish like flickering lights. Land masses tilt, crack, and shift. Entire seas evaporate or are replaced by molten rock. Earth becomes a hyperactive volcanic world, a planet reshaping itself violently and endlessly. Atmospheric erosion accelerates as cosmic radiation batters the planet. Eventually, Earth begins to resemble a hybrid between Venus and Mars, blistering heat in some regions, thin and failing atmosphere in others. Constant volcanic lightning storms, illuminating darkened skies. The biosphere collapses, the oceans acidify, and the crust grows so thin in places that lava bursts through like open wounds. The world humans once knew becomes unrecognizable. The core's rotation wasn't just a detail of geology. It was the stabilizing pulse that made life possible. Without it, Earth becomes a dying world spiraling into geological chaos, a planet breaking itself apart. And the terrifying truth is this: once the core stops, there is no way to restart it. So what do you think would destroy the planet first? The collapsing magnetic field, the volcanic chain reaction, or the erosion of the atmosphere? Drop your thoughts below and let's explore the next impossible scenario.